Hello once again, this is Sir Jimmy Orhel, and we are to discuss the topic on Module 8 of Quarter 1 with the topic Illustrate the different subsets of real numbers. So on our previous topic, which is on Module 7, we've talked about irrational numbers and how to get the square root of numbers, both perfect squares and non-perfect squares. So, what is a real number? It is the set of all numbers. So, tanang numbers atong nailhan, that is what we call real number. So, specifically, nasidahay mga ngan, tagsa-tagsa. So, let us have first this hierarchy of numbers, or atong tawag pwede pug tawagon na to nga family tree of the numbers. Alright, at the top is the real numbers, and we have two types of real numbers: rational number and irrational numbers. Rational numbers from the root word ratio. So as they real numbers from the root word ratio, and it is different from irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, and we have encountered these examples on Module 7. We've discussed that already. And under rational number, integers and fractions. So in integers, these are whole numbers. Again, integers are whole numbers. On some ng whole numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so forth. Okay, fraction are terminating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay, next, under integers, we have whole numbers and negative integers. So under integers or whole numbers, we have whole numbers and negative integers, and below whole numbers we have zero and counting or natural numbers. So on the next slide, let us discuss each of these examples or hierarchy of the numbers. Knowing it better, what is a real number, or what is real numbers? Are rational or irrational numbers, the set of all the numbers. Okay, example, the set of 1, negative 2, 0.123, 1 half, square root of 2, square root of 4, 3.1415, 9, so on and so forth, or the pi, and all other numbers. Again, rational numbers, the set of all numbers, tanang numbers imong nailhan, those are called real numbers. Okay, next, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. So for example, the set of square root of 2, square root of 6, 2.5457.1311, square root of 3, and so on and so forth, and all other irrational numbers. So katong examples na to sa Module 7, pwede mo magkuha og examples or idea what is or what are irrational numbers. Again, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. When you say ratio, pwede na to ma-divide. Again, pwede na to ma-divide. Example, A over B. On rational numbers, we have our numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, A over B, where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0. What will happen if B is equal to 0? So if B is equal to 0, that will make the fraction undefined. Okay, so examples: the set of 9 halves, 3/4, -3, and 9 halves, 0.75, 9/1, or 9. So in this example, 9/1 or 9, that means whole numbers are also considered as rational numbers since automatically the denominator of a whole number is 1. Okay, and -4/19, and all other rational numbers. Integers are numbers or a number of the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Okay, example, set of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, and all other positive and negative numbers. Again, a member of the set of whole numbers and their opposites, so positive and negative, including 0. Okay, whole numbers, the set of rational numbers and 0. Again, the set of rational or natural numbers and 0. Example, the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to positive infinity. So those numbers and all other whole numbers. Negative numbers, what are these? The set of negative numbers. So example, set of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and all other negative numbers. So tanang negative numbers, those are negative set of negative numbers. Natural numbers, daghan namang numbers di ay. Unsa man yung natural numbers pod, also known as the counting numbers. Okay, example, 1 or the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all other natural numbers. So meaning, what na i-appeal ang 0 diha. Alright? So, what are sets? Nagisgot man tag sets, no? Well-defined collection of distinct objects. So, on the example above, that is the set of natural numbers. Okay, subset, a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Ang subset, member rana siya sa set. Kung sa'y naa sa set, makita sa subset. Pero dili tanan. Example, natural numbers is the subset or is a subset of rational numbers. Now it's your turn. Answer the activity on your module activity, module 8. Refer to the given answers of each problem to check your answers and solution. Okay, next, week 8 of day 3 and 4. The topic, arrange real numbers in increasing or decreasing order and on a number line. So we have done this already on module 7. Particularly on the examples of irrational numbers, but this one, real numbers na po, or set of all numbers, is on the number line. So in the picture, number line, the two parts, negative integers on the left side and on the positive side. On the right side are positive integers, and at the center is the 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So narin just tunga between negative and positive. So dili siya positive, dili po siya negative. How do we arrange real numbers in increasing and decreasing order? So here's the examples. Arrange the following in increasing order. For example, we have these bars. So they have different heights. Sila gitason. Kung saan man na to pag-arrange in increasing order. So, increasing order, mag-start ta sa increase man. Gamay, padong, dako. Okay? Increasing gani, smallest to the largest number. Alright, start. Kinagamyan. Next. Sunod, ang saka. Ang saka pagazod. Okay. Alright. So, increasing order from the smallest number to the biggest or the largest value of a number. Okay? For example, let us the numbers 1, 87, 34, negative 45, 97, 0, negative 23. So, obviously, arita magsugod sa negative. And we have two negatives here, negative 45 and negative 23. So, which is which? Asa may mas una, asa may mas gamay sa negative 45 and negative 23? Okay, negative 45. Since dako siya nga numero kaysa 23, so meaning negative man, magkagamay ang value. Again, mas magkadako gali ang numero sa negative, magkagamay ang value. Alright. So, here we have the answer. Negative 45. Next is negative 23. Sunod, 0, 1, 34, 87, 97. So, in increasing order. Alright, next. Alright, so since we've done with arranging rational numbers in decrease or in increasing order, so now how do we arrange real numbers in decreasing order? So arrange the following in decreasing order. We have the example, set of bars. Arrange them in decreasing order. Decreasing means from the biggest to the smallest value of the number. In this example, on the highest bar to the smallest bar. So start 1, 2, so nagkaubos. Okay? So, kunad sa pinakataas, padung pinakaubos nga bar. O sa number pa ni, pinakadako nga number, kutob sa pinakagamay nga number. Okay, example. So, asa man ani nga numbers na magsugod, decreasing order man, so dako padung gamay nga value. So, let's start with, okay, sunod. Okay, tantanawon. 97, 87, 34, 1, 0, negative 23, negative 45. So, from the highest value of the number to the smallest value of the number. Okay, now it's your turn and answer the activity in your module, module 8, and don't forget to answer also the formative test at the back of your module 7 and 8. So that is week 7 and week 8. So may formative test diha. And refer to the given answers of each problem to check your answers and solutions. So this is only intended for the activities given after the discussion. Alright. So now, please answer truthfully, and this has been Sir Jimmy Orhel. Thank you for listening. God bless us all.